Protectobase. This video covers the correct installation techniques, materials, and tools required for the proper installation of the IKO Protectobase composite panel base sheet system for low-slope roofing applications. Tools needed for the proper installation of the IKO Protectobase system include a drill with a Phillips driver, a 2.4-inch round barbed plate with an appropriate length of number 14 drill point fasteners, a utility knife, gloves and safety boots, 13-inch torch tape 180 FF, a propane-powered heat welding torch, a hand roller, a round nose trowel and roll puller cane, safety glasses, hard hat, and fire extinguisher. The IKO Protectobase composite panel base sheet is composed of three major parts: a 3 1/2-inch wide side lap that features dual selvage technology and release film, a 1-inch end lap, and factory laminated base sheet and Protectoboard. Begin installation by removing the boards from the pallet one at a time, being sure to handle the panel from the bottom of the asphalt board, not from the end or side laps of the membrane. Improper handling could damage the bond between the membrane and the product. Starting at the lowest point of the roof, in this case at the drain, position the panels so that the flush end of the board is directly on the top of the raised metal flute, making sure to mark the position of the flutes on the factory laminated end. Align the edge of the panel in the middle of the drain. Cut the side lap of the starting panel. Remove the film by applying heat using a propane-powered heat welding torch to the side lap along the edge of the panel. The Protectobase composite panel should be staggered over the seam of any insulation product below it. If you plan to use self-adhering base flashings, the perforated film must be removed by applying heat using propane-powered heat welding torch to where the board meets the parapet at both the perimeter and corner prior to installation, to ensure an adequate adhesion between the field membrane and the self-adhered membrane when installed. Remove the release film and install fasteners within the side lap at an appropriate frequency for your particular uplift requirements. Typically, this is either 6, 12, or 18 inches on center. Ideally, plates should be placed in such a way as to maximize the side lap seal. For a full list of CSA-compliant fastening patterns and performance compliance, please visit www.iko.com/COMM. Remove the protective plastic release film from the bottom of the adjoining panel and position it over the fastened laminated edge of the panel. Install successive courses of base sheet panels in the same fashion. Finish the joint by pressure rolling the entire length of the joint with a 75-pound roller to promote a firm bond. For end laps, apply a strip of 13-inch wide torch tape 180 FF to extend over the full width of the panel. Using the propane-powered torch, heat fuse the strip of torch tape 180 FF down over the end, remembering to apply the heat in this area in such a manner so that no flames go into the 1-inch end lap. Install successive courses of panels in the same fashion, ensuring to stagger the end laps a minimum of 12 inches. Soldering on aligned end laps is acceptable. In such cases, a continuous cover strip of 13-inch torch tape 180 FF is applied across all end laps. Install a target patch at the drain prior to installation of the cap sheet. Cap sheet membrane should be applied immediately after the base is complete. Should the Protectobase be left exposed due to unexpected inclement weather, the side laps must be buttered with heat and trowel. Apply cap sheets so the drain is aligned in the middle of the cap sheet. Ensure that 45-degree cuts are made on all side lap ends. Embedding of the granules at the end laps is required prior to the next course of cap sheet. Embed granules using the side of the starter cap sheet roll. The result? An attractive, properly installed IKO Protectobase composite panel base sheet system for your roofing project. A job well done. For more information on these products and their application, please refer to the IKO Roofing Specification Guidelines available at www.iko.com/COMM. Thank you for watching.